So we've got two EBBs here, one with the bolt installed incorrectly, one with the bolt installed correctly. This is the one with the bolt installed correctly. You can see that when you tighten the EBB, the shell continues to open up. This one with the bolt installed incorrectly, you can tighten it and the shell will expand a little bit, but not very much. To change the bolt, pull off the sleeve, remove one arm of the clamshell, flip the bolt, making sure to recenter it, and then snap the sleeve back on. Oops. It's in there.